not one, but two Cybertrucks wrapped in Inozetek SuperGloss film that are very similar, but I really want to hear from you guys, which one do you like best? And that's what this video is all about. Kind of like a people's choice. Let's vote, let's talk about it. Right over here to my right, you have Inozetek SuperGloss metallic gunmetal. Very cyber-esque, looks great, and as you guys can see, it's got our 20-inch CT7 fully forged wheels on there. These wheels look great. They work perfectly with the original Goodyear tire from Tesla. The spokes line up with the grooves on the sidewall, keeping that theme, that cyber theme, looking really great. What do you guys think about metallic gunmetal? But now, let's go right over here. Inozetek Slate Gray, SuperGloss Slate Gray. Very similar in color, but completely different. Doesn't have any metallic in it. And again, very cyber-esque. And again, very much to the cyber theme. And this one has our 22-inch CT7 fully forged wheels with some really cool Falcon all-terrain tires. So let's get back to voting. Which Cybertruck do you like best? Which color? And do you prefer a 20-inch wheel or a 22-inch wheel? There's no wrong choices. I just want to hear what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so much more Cybertruck content coming your way soon.